Alaikum everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show how we can download Facebook videos in gallery. So you can follow my all steps. Before moving further, like and share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon for upcoming more videos. So let's start our video. You know that Facebook does not allow you to download the Facebook videos on phone. So overcome this problem, watch this video till end and you get this problem. First of all, open the Play Store app and type FP Video Downloader. And you see that there are many apps, but I tell this app because I also use this app. Its result is amazing. So you can install this app. I already installed this app. Now go to your Facebook application and choose your video you want to download it, or you can also search it. I searched this video. Now open this video and click on side menu and copy the link of this video. Now open the Facebook video downloader app. Paste the copied link in this given box and click on download. Here you can also play this video. Click on download icon. Choose the resolution of this video, then click on it. Now video is start downloading. Here you can see that video is downloaded. And open the gallery and see this video.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you still have any question, then comment below.